Hello everyone, my name is Jeanette417, and I was gonna inform you guys that my new dog Lassie um, is not here anymore. I know what you guys are thinking. No, she's not dead, but my stepdad didn't want her in the house anymore. Um, Wondering why? It's because she was scratching or messing up his pool table, and now he's just like, yeah, we gotta get rid of her. Now I'm just sad. The thing is, cause I'm like really close to her right now. It's like, yeah, sure, she's a bit crazy since she got to know us, but yeah. So I just learned when I was in school, um, even though some people out there just don't have school today, um, when I was at school, he got rid of her and just gave it to some other person, and now I'm just sad. She wasn't here that long, and I just actually got closer. So, a dog Duke doesn't have someone to play with anymore besides us and me. So, yeah, now he's just at the door, literally right now, depressed. The reason why we got Lassie is because we wanted to have my dog Duke to eat. We wanted him to eat because he doesn't want to eat. So we decided to buy her and, adopt her. So he was, I guess he was starting to eat after he met her. But, I don't know. I'm sorry for the lighting as well. It's really bad, so I had to be, so we don't have her now, and yeah. So I'm stuck with one dog, again. Unlike my other friends, Dallas and Alaya, who has multiple pets and or animals to take care of, which are not really pets, I guess. So yeah. So thank you for, I don't know, for being here, I guess. You don't really have to, but I don't really control your life. So subscribe if you want more of me. Comment down below if you love dogs or whatever. Like for no reason. And after subscribing to me, don't forget to ring that bell for notifications of future videos. So yeah. Sorry if I sound really monotone, guys. Just obviously, you know what happened. So bye bye.